Hello and welcome. I'm Sage. This is the Crypto Catch, where we catch you up on what's been happening in the cryptocurrency space in the past 24 hours. And the first news covers Bitcoin. The civil trial of Ira Kleiman versus Craig Wright kicked off in Miami on Monday, and that may provide insights into some of Wright's claims that he is Satoshi Nakamoto, the inventor of Bitcoin. Craig Wright, a computer scientist from Australia, has been claiming to be the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin since 2016. And the lawsuit claims that Wright didn't act alone, with Ira Kleiman claiming that his late brother David, a fellow computer expert and longtime friend of Wright, was the co-creator of Bitcoin and is entitled to a share of a trove of Bitcoin currently valued at $66 billion. The suit alleges that David Kleiman and Wright partnered to form an entity called W&K Info Defence Research, which they used to mine Bitcoin and organise their intellectual property, including the original Bitcoin source code. Ira Kleiman alleges that his brother was solely responsible for mining the entire stash of Bitcoins in question, and has accused Wright of swindling them through a combination of forgery and deceit from David's estate after his death, according to emails presented to the jury. Wright denies these allegations and says that while David Kleiman was a friend, the two were never partners, and that he alone is Satoshi Nakamoto. A panel of 10 jurors selected Monday will have 3 weeks to hear the evidence and decide the fate of what Wright's team is calling Satoshi's Bitcoins. The price of Bitcoin spiked just over 3% in the past 24 hours and is now valued at just a tad under 63,000 US dollars. And let's now take a break. We'll be back with the altcoin news as well as the day's winners and losers.
Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google, to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV.
Welcome back, Sage here. You're tuned into the Crypto Catch by Kalkine TV, your daily dose from ADA to Zoocoin. And in other news, crypto mining companies have continued to prove lucrative, with companies like Marathon Digital and Hut8 outperforming their crypto-linked stocks on Tuesday. Shares of crypto miners started November on a bullish tone, tracking gains in the price of Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap. While Bitcoin has reached the 63,000 US dollar mark, Ether, the native token of Ethereum, has risen as well, 5.36% in the past 24 hours, rallying to an all-time high above 4,500 US dollars. And moving on to today's winners and losers. 72nd ranked crypto, the Sandbox, has continued its impressive run from yesterday, claiming 48.7% in the past 24 hours. This adds to an impressive month for the altcoin, which has grown around 275%. 66th ranked Arweave has turned their fortunes around from yesterday, jumping 37.55% in the past 24 hours. And in terms of today's big losers, Curve DAO token has fallen 4.48% in the past 24 hours, and Sushi Wrap has fallen as well, 3.82% in the past 24 hours. And that's all for today for the Crypto Catch. Had you there for a second, didn't I? But stay tuned, we'll be back before you know it with more market news throughout the day. I'm Sage, signing off for now.